Doug Phillips, Premier Truck Group, Amarillo, world's oldest truck salesman. Stock number CHX1845 is a 2017 Cascadia DD15, 10-speed, 253 rear ends, 230 wheelbase, sitting on a new set of drive tires. This truck's a little different. It's in a little different situation than a lot of trucks we sell. It's got EW3 factory warranty remaining that expires at 500,000 miles. There's two things we can do with that. We can let the select warranty take over and go for another year, or we can upgrade that to EW4 and extend it for 2 years, 250,000 miles. These trucks come to us from a real well-maintained fleet. We put new tires on the drives, we detailed it, we DOT'd it, it's ready to go to work. Premier Truck Group Amarillo, Doug Phillips, world's oldest truck salesman. We can finance this truck. Again, it's got lots of warranty on it, lots of free warranty, and then there's an upgradable EW4, which is the best warranty Freightliner offers. It won't be as cheap as the other trucks, but it'll save you a lot of money in the long run. Doug Phillips, world's oldest truck salesman, Premier Amarillo, 806-654-7640. I'll meet you at 3 o'clock in the morning if I know you're coming. Thank you.